Good evening, good evening, good evening everyone. How are you all? I'm audible. Is the audio clear? Is the video clear? Please check. All is clear, right? Yes, so I am a little late. I'm sorry for that. Yes, usually we start on time, but we are just doing something exciting for all of you guys. That's why it took some time. So I'm here now. We'll start the live in few minutes. Just let others join. Okay, so just let me know in the comment section if I am audible, if all is good. Yes, please check, guys. Okay, so good evening. Today what we are doing, we are starting the most important lecture of mathematics, where we'll discuss all chapters, most expected questions. Okay, they can be PYQ or other questions from NCERT or wherever it is from, question bank, exam plus. We'll discuss top, it's actually more than 60. We'll see all the questions. It's MCQs, it's 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker. So I've taken combination, and the best thing about this session is I get to talk to you. I can see what you are saying. I can see your questions and your queries live and tell your answers, resolve your queries right away. Yes, so I can see a lot of you are here. Kirti, good evening. Saraswati, good evening. Hi. Sampath, everyone. How's the energy? Our first live for this midterm. Okay. Actually, no, second live. Samik sir has already taken one live. This is the second one. First for mathematics. Okay. So yes, our first live. Alright, we'll have more sessions coming in, don't worry. Hello Sati. Sir, will you cover all the chapters or this is part 1? So bacha, actually I have taken the major ones today. So this is going to be 5 chapters coverage. I'll show you in the index what chapters are there. Let's your friends and everyone join. Just a minute, will not take more than that. We'll wait for only 1 minute and then we'll start our session straight away. Okay. Everyone are preparing for midterm test? Yes. Everyone is, right? There should be. It's very important. The marks goes to your boards, which is going to be making a big impact in your KCET score as well. So it is very, very important. Till integration, today we are not doing integration, but yes, actually most of the syllabus doesn't have integration in it, but do not worry. I will take in marathons, I'll take integration also. So it will be discussed. Today we are not going to do integration. Okay. But yes, I'm here. If you want to ask some doubts, no, you can ask me. Whatever I can do to help you out in this small time, I'll do that. But integration will be covered. Do not worry. I have done that. And if you want to really study right now, it's okay. After this live, you can go ahead, watch my video on Sankalp series. The playlist is available. In that, I've done integration in detail. Okay. Yes, it is for the KCET advanced, but you can get the basics at least. Okay. All right. I think now we can start our session. Okay. I think now we can start our session. So a lot of you are here. I don't want to waste even a single minute of your time. One more thing before I start, this is a surprise for all of you. Again, this is regarding your offline 90-day crash course, one solution for your problems of KCET and Comet K. Only one course which will help you if you can, if you're in Bangalore, if you can. So last time we launched this thing and it was there for only one campus. But this time we have done something different. For different campuses of Diksha across Bengaluru, this course of KC90 and offline KCET and Comet K crash course is going to be not a crash course, it's actually a full-length course. You can believe that. 90 days crash course for 2 examination. And the goal is to get what? Top 1000 rank. Okay. So if you want to study offline with us, our experienced team of 27 years in producing toppers and rankers of KCET and Comet K, I'll tell you a surprise fact. Okay, the fact is very simple. If you go to any of the top 5 colleges of Karnataka and you just stand there and ask, how many of you are from Diksha? Every one of 3 students will tell they are from Diksha. Okay, that's the legacy that we have produced for the last 27 years. So if you are somebody who is in Bangalore and you want to study with us, offline campus of Diksha, you can visit. How can I do that? Number is there. Call on this number and get yourself enrolled. Now, one more thing is there. This is not the end of the surprise. Surprise is we are, early bird offer, launch offer we are giving of 3,000 rupees off. Yes, initially we are giving on the price of the course 3,000 rupees off. Okay. Again, this is limited only. This is 3,000 rupees off. So this is limited only, not for a lot of students will be possible. And again, these seats are limited. These are offline courses. We cannot have unlimited number of seats. So seats are limited. So if you are willing to make a big change and you want to study offline, make sure that you are gonna do this right away. Okay. Sir, following Sankalp batch, can I get? Of course you can. Look out for your testimonials, your toppers, your seniors. The best rank that we produced from the previous year batch was 171, okay, in CET. Alright, so I think any doubt if you have about KC90 you can ask me, and do not worry about if somebody is asking. We saw a lot of comments of online version of this. So leave your comments in the comment section of our videos. We'll see how many of you are actually looking to get a course, and we'll plan something for you. Okay, now let's talk about session. In session what we have today, so we have these chapters. Simple ones, some might be challenging for some of the students, but yes, R and F, I've taken only 6 questions, simple chapter. I've discussed this so many times for all of you, for KCET, for PU2 as well. Next chapter is CND. Again, question number 7 to question number 23 will be there. AOD is from 24 to 33. Matrices I've taken 34 to 50, and the last is determinant 51 to 68. This is the session outline. What is the agenda of session today? Okay, Kirti has a doubt. We'll clear that. Okay, Kirti, where is the doubt? I'll just look at it. So will you cover all chapters, or this is part 1? As I said, for midterms all chapters will be covered. Okay, in this session I have only these 5 chapters planned, because you can see already we have 68 questions here. I don't want to miss out on questions. I don't want to give you 3 questions, 4 questions per chapter. I want to cover entire thing, because our goal is scoring 70 plus in our midterms, and that cannot be done after solving 2 or 3 questions, right? That's why I've taken so many problems. That is very important. Okay, so again, other chapters will be covered. Do not worry, I'll cover that as well. Okay, so that is clear. Fee, how much, sir? For that you have to call. Okay, the number that I given over here, call on this number. They'll help you out with everything. Just make a call and they'll help you out with everything. Okay, all right. Okay, so study KCET with many of my friends, and even they have commented. Okay, Ria, thank you very much. Sufia, yes, we are trying our best. So we're gonna make something for you. Okay, so question will come to mind test, mid test. Yes. If not the same question, similar question can come for sure. What is the session's the tag? It is most expected questions of your midterms from this PU2 maths. Okay, so please check question number 1 from relation and function. Of course, I want participation from all of you. Okay, I want participation, otherwise there's no point of me coming and taking your live. If I want to just give you answers, I can record the session and give it to you. But live is why. Live reason is so that I can talk to you. You can ask me your doubts and concerns. Okay, so right now for the next time. Okay, so Mrudesh has said vectors in LPP. How many of you have vectors also in the syllabus? How many of you have vectors in the syllabus? Okay, answer is coming as option C, and it is correct answer. Option C is correct. Please check, guys. Option C is correct. Super. So first one to give the correct answer was Sri Devi. Okay, Sri Devi has given me answer option C. So just after this live I can score. Bacha, this is like, sir, if I solve this 50 questions, will I score 70 plus marks? Is this how it works? No. If you are able to solve this 68 problems, okay, comfortably, then you are of course closer. And yes, we have other chapters also there, no? So it's not like only 5 chapters are coming. We have ITF, okay, we have LPP. So for all the chapters, if you cover the questions, yes, 70 plus is easy. Trust me, no, why you are worried about that? Trust me on that, okay? Will I do? So if you are new over here, ask your friends, ask your colleagues in the comment section. Have I ever been given you false information? Never. That I cannot do. Okay, I never overpromise. I always end up making under promises. But believe me, trust me in the process. If you continue with it properly, you'll get 70 plus marks for sure in your midterms. Okay, chaliye. Vectors I have. Okay, fine. Vectors also I'll do. Integrals and vectors, 2 things extra you guys are asking. I'll do that. I'll include integrals and vectors in your other coming sessions. Okay, so let's see. First question is over. Now let's talking and more solving questions. Okay, guys. From here onwards, less of other discussion. From here onwards, we'll stick to only question solving. Any other doubt you have to stay with me till the end and ask me after the questions are over. Question number 2, come on. Question number 2, answer. 1, you want me to discuss? Simple, please check. Let R be the relation in the n given by R equals to A comma B, A equal to B minus 2. And B has to be more than 6. The second element in the ordered pair A comma B, the second element B here should be more than 6. Check here. It's either possible Not possible here because it is equal to 6. Here it is possible, here also not possible. Okay, and the same difference of a value is 2 less than 8. So in this case 8 is there, right? So 8 minus 2 is 6. Answer is option number C. Clear? Okay, so question number 1 is very much simple. Question number 2 we'll solve now. Question number 2 we are solving now. Yes. Okay, 3D also is there, sir. Fine, sir. I'll take some questions of 3D also. Okay, question number 2, I think options have come on. Again, first one to answer this question was Sridevi, I think. Question number 2, let R be the relation in set A. Okay, let's call this to be set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it correct? Answer that is given is D, correct. All of you are getting it right. I'm very happy about that. So answer is option D, correct. I hope all of you are clear with this. Because if you write the reflexive set, you'll need 1, 1, you'll need 2, 2, you'll need 3, 3, and you'll need 4, 4 for reflexive set, okay, for the reflexive relation. And what about symmetric and transitive? For symmetric relations, of course, it's all symmetric. 1, 1 is 1, 1. Same things is already there. And for transitive, there's no objections over here. If you can't create any objections for the transitive, it means it is always transitive. Hence, all 3 is true, leading us to equivalence relation. Anyone has doubt, let me know about this question, not other things. Other things will be discussed after the live, okay? Not the after live, I mean at the end of the live, sorry. Question number 3 now. Question number 3. Yes, so I think every one of you got it right. Very happy to see that. It means what it means actually, it means your concepts or your preparation of R and F chapter is over, complete, going good. This is for 1, 1 onto function. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is a function. Try to see which is the correct option. Statement number 1 is 1, 1. F is 1, 1, F must be onto. F is onto, then F must be 1, 1. See the mapping? Here you write the set is 1, 2, 3. Here also we write 1, 2, 3. This is your function F, okay? If it is 1, 1 means if the first, this is the domain, this is the codomain. If it is 1, 1 means what? 1, 1 means basically that this will be having unique mappings. You'll be having unique mappings, okay? So true. If it is unique mapping means you'll have none of the elements in codomain left out. Your range value, your range will be 1, 2, 3, and so is the codomain. So true. And even this case will be true if you go from on to case, this side to this side. Okay, none of the elements are left, it is going to be 1, 1. So answer is both are true. Both are true. Option C. 1 second, I'll take some water. I'll just have some water, guys. Okay. Excuse me. Yes. No, C and D has more weightage. C and D has more weightage. But yes, the likeliness of the questions coming, if you ask me, if I take 2 questions, one from C and D, one the word problem of A or D, of course that can come. The chances of that coming is higher. But C and D chapter overall has a higher weightage. The difference is there, weightage or probability. Probability of getting a question on word problems of A or D is more. Next question. Question number 4. 3 is clear, everyone? Yeah, everyone give me the answer, same answer. This is not a marathon. Marathon will again start. Marathon will be doing, don't worry. So stick to our channel and the WhatsApp channel as well. We are releasing the schedule also very soon in the WhatsApp channel for all the lives, all the sessions scheduled for you. Okay, very soon. Okay, LPP will also do, bacha. Today we are not doing LPP, but I'll do it. See, simple chapter will complete it, don't worry. LPP 6 marks, you'll get it guarantee. Don't worry. Okay. Next one. What is it? If n to n given by fx equal to x cube, check whether the f is 1, 1 or on 2. Check here. If I write f of x1 equals to f of x2. So what I get for this? 1 second. Where was it? I think this was, yeah, here. All right. x1 cube equals to x2 cube. We all know that cube root of any number, okay? a perfect Q will be always unique in nature, or any number will be always unique in nature. So we get x1 equals to x2. So if this is equal means this is also equal. So the function f is 1 1. Function f is 1 1. What about onto? Check here. Your codomain is only natural number, whereas your domain is also natural number. I can take a number 4. Is 4 a natural number? Is the number 4 a natural number? Answer is yes. Okay. So if 4 is a natural number, then what I can do about this? Please check. I'll have cube root of 4. This is, can you find this value? You cannot find this value. So this is not equal to, natural number. This is not equal to a natural number. Okay. It means that for some value of codomain, there is no mapping. It means what? It means your codomain and range are not equal. So what happens in this question? It is not onto. F is not onto. Please check carefully. F is not onto, but F is 1 1. If it was all real to all real, then the question will be changed. If it is all real to all real, then the question is changed. But since we have natural number over here, it is not onto. Okay, so this is clear. F is 1 1, not onto. Very good. Everyone got it right. Is this full midterm syllabus important questions? First 5 chapters I have given you index, right? First 5 chapters I have taken. Not ITF. Question number 5 now. We are going slow. Let's speed up now. We have 68 questions to solve. Question number 5. So the relation R in the set Z integers, okay, given like this, A minus B is divisible by 2. A minus B is divisible by 2 is a equivalence relation. Try the first one for reflexive. For reflexive, you can try. What will happen to this? Check. If I'm looking for reflexive, it has to be ARA. You all know the ordered pair. Ordered pair looks like A comma A in case of reflexive relation. Okay. So of course, if I'm looking for A minus B, the difference over here will become what? It will become A minus A, which is nothing but 0, and it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. It means it is reflexive. Second one, symmetric. If you have ARB, it means the ordered pair is A minus B and A comma B. The ordered pair here is A comma B, and it's saying that A minus B is divisible by the number 2. Then if I write BRA, this is by if statement, guys. You all know we have a if and then statement in the case of symmetric relations. So we have if statement. Then of course, if you write BRA, the ordered pair will become B minus A, and I can write B minus A as what? Take minus sign common, A minus B. Minus of A minus B. Then of course this part here will also be divisible by the number 2. So we have both conditions true, means it will be also symmetric in nature. Third one, which is transitive. Please check. Okay. Both are not onto, sir. 1 1 if R2. Akshay, I'm not getting your question here. Okay, so let's get back to this question. Transitive relation, how would you solve this? Of course, check here. The first we have, in this case, we have 2 if conditions. So first one of the if condition will be ARB. For this, we'll get the ordered pair as A comma B, and you'll have what it implies: A minus B is divisible by 2. Okay, this is the first condition. Second, we'll have again same way, BRC will be there. It implies what? Ordered pair is B comma C, and you'll have B minus C is divisible by 2. Correct? These two are if statements. Now do one thing, add the given statements. A minus B is a number or not? A minus B and B minus C, both of these are numbers, right? These both are numbers. It means if I have two even numbers, divisible by 2 means what? Even numbers. If I take two even numbers and add them, let's say I have 4 and 14, add them. You add them, you get 18. Still an even number. If you add these two, what you're going to get? You'll have A minus B plus B minus C is also divisible by the number 2. So please check, B and B is cancelled. What you're getting over here? A minus C. Now, when you have A minus B, the ordered pair was ARB. Excuse me. When you have B minus C, ordered pair is BRC. Sorry, yeah. Same way you'll have here ARC. So when you have ARB true, BRC true, ARCC is also true. It means it is also transitive. Combination is what? Combination of reflexive, symmetric and transitive is nothing but equivalence. Hence the answer is proven. Please check. Again, this question, if it is asked, will be asked for 3 marker or 5 marker. 3 marker or 5 marker. Usually in the 3 mark category. Usually in the 3 mark category. Okay. Miscellaneous problems. Look, miscellaneous problems is for sure asked in the category of KCET. Means KCET, they pakka ask miscellaneous questions. For boards, they usually do. If you are aiming for the highest scores, no, 70 plus, 75 plus, okay, then yes, you have to solve those as well. Sometimes the question can come. Okay. But if you are looking for just passing marks, 50, 55, then don't worry about that because they are challenging. But if you ask me, if you ask my advice, I'll tell you, if you can't do the entire exercise of miscellaneous, at least solve miscellaneous examples. Okay. So this is clear, guys. 5th one is clear. Moving on to question number 6 now. Okay, 5th was a good question, right? This is the last question of the chapter R and F. Okay. All right. So what is this? Prove that the greatest integer function fr2 r given by fx equals to gi of fx is neither 1 1 nor on 2. We can do both graphical and algebraic approach in this. If you want to take x value as 1.6, x1 value, and x2 value as 1.9, okay, put f of x1, you will have this value as 1.6 in this, answer will be 1, and f of x2, check this out, you will have 1.9 over here, you will get answer again 1. It means even though x1 is not equal to x2, I'm getting what? F of x1 is equal to f of x2. But if it was 1 1, then this has to be not equal to. If this was a 1 1 function, if this is not equal, this has to be also not equal. It means f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Now what about onto? Think about it. Your codomain here. What is codomain here? Codomain is all real numbers. Codomain is all real numbers. Right here, all real. What about range? What about range? Range, you know, for any GIF function, draw the graph to understand better. This is close, this is open, close, open, close, open, open, close, open, close. Values are 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. This is 1, 2, 3. This is -1, -2. So you can see there's only integral values of y. Here we have this whole thing is actually -2, -1. This whole thing is 0. This whole thing is 1. This whole thing is 2. So your range is what in this case? Please check. Your range is equal to only integers. Range is only integers. Range is only integers, which implies what? Your range is not equal to codomain. Therefore, f is not onto. Please check, guys. Please check. Okay, f is not onto. Okay, I think somebody said 1 1 onto but not 1 1. They removed the comment. Please check. Okay, Marudesh. So next session onwards, when I take questions, I'll take miscellaneous questions also. Okay, this I am not taken today, and but next session onwards, believe me, I'll tell you explicitly that this question is from miscellaneous, and I'll do it. Okay, that's a promise. So this is done, guys. Question number 7 now. Let's solve. 7 will be from the next chapter. So it has taken little extra time for us to solve this first chapter, now we can be faster. Okay, all right. Let's see question number 7. I hope there's no doubt from question number 1 to 6. Okay, no doubt, right? Now over here, the way I have taken the question is supposed to be covering all the concepts. So some you might find very easy, some you might find difficult also, but the agenda is very simple. Through these questions, I'm trying to cover all the concepts. Okay. So in R, yes, but inverse wala question, right? You can do that. Again, it's a very common question. Do it. For boards it comes usually. Sufia, good, do it. Okay. Option C, I'm getting the answers. Option C is right, I think. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. How do you solve this? This question is based upon only chain rule. Chain rule. So we'll go function by function. First function is sec, second function is tan, next function is root x. And we have one more function which is for x, that is going to be 1 actually. So solve it, you'll have y1, the derivative is written as y1, I hope no problem over there. Sec will become what? Sec of the angle into tan of the same angle. Sec theta or sec x derivative is what? Sec x into tan x. Okay, so sec into tan. Next is what? This is the first function derivative, just the sec derivative. Next is tan. Tan will be what? Sec square. The angle is separate over here, root x. Sec square of root x. Last is what? Derivative of root x. That will become what? 1 by 2 root x. Please check. That's the answer. Sec of tan, tan of tan, sec square, root x upon 2 root x. Superb, superb. Everyone is in fire. Very good. Good to see this kind of, reply from all of you. That's why we come, right? Ultimately for teachers, the appreciation of students, the understanding of student is what we are working here for, right? Okay, that's our reward. So don't be conducive in that. Please give us your rewards. Please reply all of your the questions that I'm giving you over here. Question number 8 now. Y equal to log 7 log of x. This I'm not going to solve. This is a formula question. I will not solve it. Please reply, guys. Okay. Formula based questions. Sridevi has said D. Okay, D. That's a mistake, dear. So I think I have to solve this then. Even one has got wrong means my job is to make the correct answer. Log derivative means what? If it is not with natural value. Usually log is of two types. Log with the base e. This is called as ln or natural log. A log with any other base is called as simply that log. If you have this type of log, derivative changes. Okay. So here y1 will become what? 1 by, you're differentiating this log, right? So this will be coming down. But if you don't have e over here, then this a will come with the log. Okay, so you'll have it, this will be a constant. So log of 7 will come. Log of 7 will come, and please check. Now chain rule will be there, so apply for this log, you'll get 1 upon x. So your answer is x log 7 log x. Option A is correct. Please check, guys. Okay. I'll give you the formula also, don't worry. If you have log of x with the base a as a function, right, y, then y1 is given by 1 by x log a, or basically if you want me to be more precise, actually it is ln a. Ln a. So there's a difference, okay? If I have y equals to ln x, then the derivative is what? 1 by x. Difference is there. What's the meaning of ln? Ln means that log of x with the base e. If you have the base e, then it is 1 by x. Otherwise it is 1 by x ln a or log a. In your syllabus, in your book, when they write only log, x, they actually mean what? It is ln x only. So in your book, in your textbook, log x is referred as ln x. Okay, so please understand that. Clear, guys? Okay, so I think now it is clear. Devi, you got it wrong. I hope this is clear now, bacha. Okay, next question. 9th one. This is a PYQ. This is a NCRT question, horse question, whatever you want to say. This is there, it comes, similar question can come, so please make use of it and learn it right now. We'll have to apply here algebra of derivatives. We have to differentiate each term individually and then apply chain rule to each of them, okay? So y1 will come what? I think answer will come from all of you. Yeah, okay, but I'll try anyway. E power x, over here we'll have e power x square. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Chain rule, okay? This e power x square remains as it is and derivative of x square becomes 2x. Same thing over here, e power x cube and 3x square plus e power x power 4 and 4x cube plus e power x power 5 and 5x power 4. That is my derivative, okay? Very simple one, right guys? Yes, Akshay has given me the answer, Marudesh has given me the answer, others please come back. Pano has given me also the answer. I hope I have taken the name right. Let's write now y1 value at x equals to 1. y1 at 1, it'll be e power 1. It'll be e power of what? Same 1 only, no? And we'll have 2 into 1 as 2. Same thing, e power 1 and 3 into 1 is 3. Same thing, e power 1 and 4 plus e power 1 and 5. Basically it is what? E plus 2e plus 3e plus 4e plus 5e. Add them, you'll get 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3 is 12, 14 and 1 is 15, so answer is 15e. So Marudesh and Akshay gave me the right answer. Others, no. Pano, I hope this is clear. Okay, Sufia has given me the right answer. Guys, if I take your name wrong, please don't be offended. Sometime I might make that mistake, but you can correct me. Okay, be regular in my classes. I'll get to know all of you. Last time I got to know a lot of students. There was Chandan, there was Shagufta, many of you were there. If I've forgotten some name, then they'll get angry at me, okay? So there were a lot of students who were very regulars. So same way, if you're regular in the classes, I'll get to know your name. So please let me know the right pronunciation of your name if I get it wrong. Okay, sir, what's the duration of this session? Duration is by the time we finish it, okay? There's no end of it. I'll try to be faster, but at least it'll take 2 hours, right guys? I've taken total of 68 questions, so it'll take me a little longer. Total 5 chapters, 68 questions. Okay, 9th is done. Question number 10 now. 9th, no doubt, I guess, right? 9th, I guess, no doubt. 10th is 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. There's a way to solve this question. What is the way? Tell me, I'm looking at the comment. What is the way to solve this question? All of you, not the trick. The way to solve the question, the right way. Okay, no, this is not that question. Sorry, my mistake. I have a question like this, but it's a different question. I thought it is an AOD problem. For AOD, there's a trick, but for this question, there's no trick, okay? My bad, guys. I got lost in your comments, so my problem. Derivative, we have to find second derivative. How do you find that? Sir, very simple. Find the first derivative, then find the second derivative. Let's do that. y1 will find first. y1 is what? y1 is the name of our first derivative. Okay, differentiate. We'll get here, sir, 5 as it is. Cos will become minus sine. Minus 3 as it is. Sine will become plus cos. This is y1. Differentiate one more time. Second derivative will be y2. 5 minus 5 will write as it is. Minus 5 as it is. Sine will become cos x. Correct? And over here we'll have minus 3 as it is. Cos will become minus sine x. Please make the signs properly. We'll get here minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. I can take minus sign common over here. We'll get here what? Minus 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. I've taken here, bacha, minus common, okay? What I've done, bacha? Minus sign I've taken common. So this negative term becomes positive and this plus term becomes minus. I know you all know that, but sometimes know what happens. When I was a student, I did not know this. So I hope my teacher used to tell me. But sometimes they must have skipped, so I felt bad that time. So you should not. I'm here to tell you that. Take minus sign common, this negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative. This is minus, this check here, this is same as the question given to you. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, which is nothing but y. We have y2. Bring on this side. I'll get 1 second. I'm getting here y2 equals to minus y. So y2 plus y equal to 0. What is the meaning of y2? D square y upon dx square plus y is 0. Sir, do we need to do all the steps? It is boards. If this question comes for 3 marks, you have to do all the steps. Question comes for 3 marks, do all the steps. Question comes for 1 marks, do in 1 step. What is my problem? No problem. I have no problem. 1 mark a question, no, don't write any step. 3 mark question, write all the steps. Answer is option A, done. Okay, I should not have done this question. All of you got it right. Okay, my bad. Sorry. Next time onwards, I'll see the comments. If you all know, I will not solve the question. Okay? My bad. Alan, hi Alan. Okay, Alan is a regular. He attends all my live sessions. Alan is a regular. See, Alan names I know because Alan, always attends the live sessions I'm taking. Okay, so guys, I request all of you to be regular in the live sessions. I'm telling you, it'll be pakka. Yes, I might take a little longer time. I might take some extra time. You know, the maths teachers, right? They take extra time all the time. Okay, but it will be a useful session for all of you. That's a promise. Okay. Okay. Question number 11 now. The function fx equals to gif of x, where x denotes gif of the function basically is continuous at x equals to 1. No, right? This is false statement. At any integral value, the function gif is never continuous. Draw the graph. Okay, draw the graph. Let's check. Close, open. This is 1, right? This is going to be closed and open. This is 1. So if you check 1, if you approach the limit 1, if you approach the function gif of x from x tends to 1 minus, this is LHL. What is the answer, guys? Answer is 0. Approach this value 1 from this side. From this side. What's the answer? Y value? 0. Okay? And approach the same thing limit of the function gif of x from x tends to 1 positive. From this side you approach. What's the answer from this side? Answer is 1. Is 0 equal to 1? No. 0 equals to not. 0 is not equal to 1. It means limit does not exist. Limit does not exist means not continuous function. So what they've given here is, okay, they've given discontinuous. My bad. I read it as continuous. Okay, so this is true statement. Yeah, sorry. Yes, Alan, I know you will point it out. You always point my mistakes, but thank you for doing that. I love when you do that. Okay, very nice, bacha. So yes, if I study all questions which you will solve in this video, is it fair to examination if I do that? If it's fair, if you solve the 68 questions, like people who have not studied for throughout the year, and if you study only 68 questions, can you get full marks? No. But if you studied your whole, the 3-4 months that has gone by, studied properly, right? And if you solve these questions comfortably, word is comfortably, means without any, hush and puss, you don't have to forget the formulas and all those things, then yes, from these 5 chapters you will not lose marks. From these 5 chapters you will not lose marks. Is that enough, bacha? Okay, chaliye, let's get back. KCET live will start, bacha, after PU2. Sorry for not delaying it right now, but after PU2 midterms are over, we'll get back to KCET lives. Okay, Alan. So this is clear. This is clear. Okay, not clear. Second reason is there. The greatest integer of function is discontinuous at all the integers. Correct, na? So answer is D. At any integer value, limit will not exist, hence not continuous. Question number 12 now. Okay. Question number 12, guys. Assertion A is fx equals to mod of x minus 3 continuous at x equal to 3. Draw the graph. This point, continuity. Yes, differentiability. No. This is the sharp edge. Okay, this is the edge. You cannot have continuity at any edge. Sorry, differentiability at any edge. So continuity, yes. Differentiability, no. So A is true, R is false. Option C. Option C. Yes. B somebody has given me. I think this is the previous answer. B was given the previous answer. Sorry, my bad. Okay. B was the previous answer given by Alan. This question's answer I'm still to get. Yes, C I think getting. Sir, you are going to launch crash course after PUC finals, like the 1 month before KCET examination. Offline crash course you're asking, or online crash course, army? I don't know that. Please let me know. But this, what I'm giving you right now, no, KC90 includes everything. KC90 includes everything, okay? It's a course till your exam is over. It is not the end of January or February like that. So that's why if you have any queries, no, about the course programmation, like how the program is designed for the course, just call on the number, no? I'll share it to you again one more time, but you can see here. I'll just share it with all of you. Yeah, call on this number. Just take a screenshot, call on this number. You can get to know the schedule, how the plan is done. Tell me this is made for the benefit of all the students. Offline course, you'll not be able to find a better alternative in the market right now. Okay, 27 years of experience, guys. So that actually means something. Okay, every 3 students in top 5 colleges of Karnataka are from Diksha. Okay, that's reward in itself for all of us at this family. Okay, guys. Sir, please. KC90 coming online. We are trying our best. We are trying our best. Be tuned. Yes, we are making an effort to make it online also. Yes. Yes. We are trying. We are trying our best, bacha. It's a promise. Tell me. Okay, I don't know. You guys just started. Okay, but if you ask your seniors, whatever they have asked previous year, we have delivered. 100% delivery result from our side. If you have asked something, we have delivered. If you have asked this, we'll deliver. End of the discussion. You have asked for it, we'll deliver. Just give us some time, we'll deliver for sure. Okay. 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 Let's see. Question number 12 is done, guys. 12 is over, right? This is a sharp corner. If you check the function right on this side, you'll get here the function as x minus 3. Here you'll have the function as 3 minus x. The function, if you define, it is going to be x minus 3 and 3 minus x. For x more than 3 and for x less than 3, differentiate f dash of x. You will have differentiation of this as 1 and this as minus 1. And of course, check here f dash of, so your LHD value, no? Your LHD value is 1, sorry, LHD value is minus 1 and your RHD value is 1 and basically your LHD is not equal to RHD, hence non-differentiable. So anyone who was thinking that, sir, just the graph is not enough for me, I've given you the algebraic approach also. Function on this side is x minus 3, this side is 3 minus x. How come? Modulus will open with a plus sign over here, so x minus 3, and this side will open with a minus sign, so 3 minus x. Okay? Clear, clear, clear. Yes, it's coming online also. So students who are not in Bangalore, we are trying to give it online, and in online we will only take the classes. Offline we'll have a separate team of teachers, very experienced teachers, to take care of you guys in offline sessions also. So do not worry about that. Okay. Guys, let's get back to question. We have 68 problems to solve. 68 discussions we'll do later, right? Okay, we'll do the discussions later. Right now, questions. Okay. All right, I'm the most happiest person. Yes, bacha, we'll try it. We'll try our best. We'll try our best. Okay, don't worry about that. 12th is done. Sorry, I took some extra time to solve the question number 12. 13th one. Left hand derivative of this part. Left hand derivative means what at this point? Left of 1. Take a value left of 1, 0. 0 is left of 1. On the number line, this is 1, right? Left of 1 means what? 0. I can take 0. Take 0 over here, it will become 0 minus 1. It means mod has to open like this. Correct, na? Because mod makes everything which is inside positive. Okay? To make minus 1 positive, it has to open with minus sign. Yes? So, of course, this function will become what? This function will become, check guys, minus of x minus 1 to make it positive. So, you'll have over here minus x plus 1. What are they asking? Left hand derivative. This is my value of left hand side, right? This is when, this is all when x is approaching 1 from the left hand side. So, I get f dash of x from this side will be nothing but your LHD. Derivative of this will be minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Clarity should be there. Answer is minus 1. So, any of you were asking me the question, sir, will this be enough? Isn't the way I'm explaining it to you, the concept I'm giving it to you, actually enough? So, please pay attention on the screen, and yes, you'll be happy after the session is over. Okay? We'll do a big chunk of preparation today only. So, I think Pano has got it right. Ashia, I think you were able to write plus 1, minus 1. I'm not sure. Please check once. Alan has got it right. Okay? So, this is done. Next up. Question number 14 now. the number of points in R in real numbers for this function. Now this is my favorite question, and I'm very sure that few of you will not understand in the first go, but I'll try my best to do it in the first go only. So right now, complete attention on the screen, no need to solve anything, just all your attention on the screen only. Okay, please check the function. Both will do both graphical and what, an algebraic approach. Mod of x plus, now if I ask you how many critical points are there, you'll say 2. One is x equal to 0, other is x equals to -1. So what is the critical point, sir? Critical point is the point where the sign of the mod is changing. Listen to me. Critical point is the point where the sign of the mod is changing. For this mod, sign changes at the point 0. For this mod, sign changes at the point -1. So we have two critical points. Okay. Number line. -1 here, 0 here. Now we'll have 3 branches. Branch 1, branch 2 and branch 3. We'll have 3 branches. Please check. Excuse me. We'll have 3 branches over here. Starting from here. First case. Sir, this is 1 mark question. Why are you putting so much effort? It is important because this concept is worth more than 1 marks. Can be asked in KCET also. That's why I'm saying this. Okay. So I think I got your answers also already, but just give me 2 minutes. Case 1. When the number is in this area, this is my case 1 zone. This is my case 2 zone. This is my case 3 zone. When I take a x value on this side, means I'll take more than 0. More than 0 means I can take 1. It will be positive. This will also be positive. Means on right side of the 0 value, this whole modulus, the 2 modulus will open with the plus sign. So I get y value equals to mod of x plus, basically mod will open with the plus sign. So x plus 1. Y value, what happens here? Sorry, y value is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Because on the right side of this number 0, both of them are positive. So 2x plus 1. Now between -1 and 0, this is the phase 2 or case 2. Between -1 and 0. After -1, check a number after -1, -0.5 I can take. -0.5 I can take. What happens after -0.5? Over here, just a second guys, this is on the ring. Yeah. So check here. So this will become, 1 second. Okay, one more guys, one update I have got right now. So tomorrow at 5 PM your physics live is scheduled. Okay, so today is maths, tomorrow you'll have physics, so please be on time in that session as well, and we'll be on time as well. Okay, so let's get back to the question now. Case 2, between -1 and 0 we take the value, this will be negative. If you take -0.5, this will be negative. This will open with a -x. Okay, and this will open with a plus sign only. Please check. You'll get here plus x plus 1, because if you take value -0.5 will become plus 0.5. It is basically positive. So plus x plus 1. This -x and plus x will be cancelled. Your y value is y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Next up is your case 3. Case 3 is between -1 and the negative infinity. This side, take a value -2. Take a value -2. This modulus of x will open with a minus sign. If you take here -2, no, it'll become what? Minus of -2 to make it positive. It'll become what? Minus of -2 to make it positive, right? So you'll open with a minus sign. So you'll have y equal to -x over here. And if you take here -2 again, for the second mod, again it will be -2 plus 1. Another minus sign, it means it has to open again with the minus sign. I hope I'm not getting faster. If I open with the x value as a value lesser than -1, this will open with the negative sign, and this mod will also open with the negative sign only. So I get here -x minus 1. My answer is y equal to -2x minus 1. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, this is clear. Now check this out. What are they asking? Non-differentiable. Algebraic approach is there. You can find derivative over here, find derivative over here, and find derivative over here. And check, this will not be equal to this, and this will not be equal to this. It means non-differentiable. But I'll show you the graphical approach. It will make more, it will make you guys more happy. Check the mod. So this is the point 0, this is the point -1. At 0 the value is 1 and above, the graph is 2x plus 1. From here to here is a constant of 1. From here to here it is a negative graph of minus 2x minus 1, and they are symmetric, they are the mirror image. This is the mirror image. Please check. So we have two corner points. We have two corner points. We have these two edges. We have two corners. Two corners means 2 points where it is non-differentiable. In the entire set, in the entire real numbers, from plus infinity, from this side, negative to plus infinity, we have two corner points. It means non-differentiable at 2 points. Sorry, I took some time, but it is a question which is worth it. Okay, it is a question which is worth it. Yes? Alright. So answer is 2. For this question, answer is 2. This is a hot question, it's a good question. So I hope you have all got this right. Yes. Please check. I hope all of you got this question. I understood this question after I explained it to you. Okay? Clear? Everyone, what happened? Let me know. Is the energy down because of the question? Question is very beautiful. I understand it's challenging, but beautiful. If you have doubt in any point, let me know. I'll discuss that particular point. I'm asking you, I'll take 1 minute for this question to explain again if you want me to. Can I move on? Question number 15. Question number 15, can I move on to? Okay. Okay. Alright. So I think no doubt in there. So it's minus 2 or 2. So, bacha, it's 2 for this side, 2x plus 2 for the right hand side, okay, and for this side it is minus 2 actually, it is minus 2. For the left hand side part, no, for the case 3 it is minus 2. Okay, let's get back. Question number 15 now. Sufia is saying, please explain again. Bacha, what I've done, no, I've divided the entire number line in the two critical points that I have. From here minus 1, from here 0, okay, and I have 3 zones now. One zone is after 0. One zone is between minus 1 and 0, other zone is between negative infinity and minus 1. If you take any value of this side in the function given to you, you'll get positive only. So that's why I've taken the plus sign for both the functions. Okay? If you take between minus 1 and 0, any value of x you take between minus 1 and 0, what will happen? This will become negative, this will become positive. So I've taken here minus x and plus of x plus 1. So that is coming as 1. In this zone, both will be negative. So I'm getting here minus x, minus of x, minus of 1. It becomes minus 2x minus 1. Now the graph, if you plot, this is a straight line with slope 2, straight line with the slope minus 2. And there are two corner points where the value is, between minus 1 and 0, the value is 1. From minus 1 and 0, the value is 1. It means it's a straight line parallel to x-axis. We have two sharp coordinates over here and over here. Sharp coordinate means non-differentiable. You cannot differentiate at that point, okay? So that's why we have 2 points of non-differentiability. Clear now? Okay? Yes, I think now it's clear, guys. Yeah? Okay. Let's move on to question number 15 now. Alright. Okay, super. The value of d of dx, derivative we are looking for. Again, same concept. Add the value 1. Add the value 1. What will happen to mod of x? This will be positive only. Mod of x will be positive. Put x value as 1. Don't put and write here as 1. Okay? In your mind, you put x value as 1. It is positive or negative? Positive. So x only. This minus sign remains as it is. Now think about it. What about x minus 2? If you put x value as 1, it will become 1 minus 2. How much is that? It is minus 1. So it is a negative value. So add the value x equals to 1. This value of mod is coming as negative. So we'll open with the minus sign. It has to open with the minus sign, right? Try now. You'll get here as x minus of minus will become plus. So plus x minus 2. Check here, you'll end up with what? 2x minus 2. Now this is what I'm looking for, derivative of this, right? What's the answer? Derivative of 2x is 2, this is going to be 0. Answer is 2. Answer is 2. Everyone, answer is 2. Got it? Yes, Lily. Super, bacha. Alan, I got it right. Pano, please check. Okay, so question number 16 now. Okay, now we have to increase our speed, guys. It's almost 1 hour over. So if x is equal to a cos square theta, y equals to a sin square theta, then dy by dx is what? This we can do all. This question is on the parametric form. right? Check this, derivative of this will become what? You'll have a, you'll have 2 sine theta cos theta, right? So sine theta cos theta for this is going to be 2 sine theta. For sine will be cos. For y, for x will be what? Same thing, a is a constant outside. For this will get what? 2 cos theta for the cos square part, and for cos you'll be what? Minus sine theta. Okay, check this out. You have a and a cancel, you have 2 and 2 cancel, cos cancel, sine cancel, you have 1 by minus 1. So your answer for derivative is what? Minus 1. Cover. I'm moving on, guys. I'm moving on from this question. All of you, please check. Okay, so done. Question number 17 now. Cot, no, you'll not have cot. Please check everything is cancelled over here. That's a different question. Nagaraj, that's a different question, not this one. 17 now. Okay, we have two function here, mod of x, root of x and root of y equals to 10. Looking for derivative and then proving this statement is true or not. Let's try. Differentiate this. Derivative of this will be what? It'll be 1 upon 2 root x. And for this again you'll have 1 upon 2 root y, but y is the variable. Okay. Derivative of x with x is 1. That's why I've not written anything over here. For this will come what? dy by dx equals to 0. Derivative of a constant 10 is 0. Derivative of constant 10 is 0. Okay. So 0 here, and derivative of x is 1. So it will come as into 1. In this case, derivative of y is dy by dx. So I'm getting here into dy by dx. Check here. Dy by dx into 1 by 2 root y equals to minus sine 1 by 2 root x. Move this on there. We get here dy by dx equals to, this will go up. So 2 root y upon 2 root x with a minus sign. 2 and 2 is cancelled. I get minus root y by x. Move back on this side. You'll end up with dy by dx plus root of y by x equals to nothing left, means 0. Proved. Proved. 2 marker. This is a 2 marker. Yes. Okay. This is done. No doubt in this one. 17th, no doubt, right? 17th is very easy question. No doubt. Okay. Question number 18 now. dy by dx y equal to x power sine x. How do you solve this? Whenever you have power, whenever you have function in this form, f to g or f into g, or if you have f by g, whenever you have these three forms, f into g, two functions in the product, two function in the powers, two function in the ratio, apply log on both sides. You'll have log y equal to log of x power sine x will come in front. What are you going to get over here? You'll have log y equal to sine x and log of x. Differentiate, you'll have 1 by y, and you'll have dy by dx equals to, you have to apply here product rule, sin x log x. So you'll get here cos x log x plus sign will come in the case of product rule. Keep this time sign as it is. Derivative of log will be what? 1 by x. Okay, move on this side. So you'll end up with dy by dx equals to, y will go over here, y times of this whole thing. Okay, that's your answer. Put back the value of y over here. Put back the value of y over here. This is again a 2 marker question. 2 marker. Sometime if they are asking, they can give you a 3 marker also, but usually it's a 2 mark question. Yes. I'm moving on, guys. 18th. I want to pick up some speed. I have lost a lot of time, so I want to pick up some speed. Still on the 19th question. Same thing. I will not solve this question. I have given you the hint. Y is equal to cos x, cos 2x and cos 3x. Apply log on both sides. So log y, apply log over here. This whole thing in the product, right? This is in the product. Product means what? It will become individually logs. So you'll have this as log y log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Differentiate, please. You'll get 1 by cos. You'll get 1 by cos, and you'll have here minus sin x. And same way. Okay, this will be what? 1 by y dy by dx. Okay, yes, 1 by y dy by dx for this side, and this will be minus sin x upon cos x. It will become minus tan x, minus 2 tan 2x, minus 3 tan 3x. Okay, so this is the how questions are going to be. Okay, so question number 19 is over. 19 is over. Okay, 20th now. Question number 20. Yes, I think all of you are getting it. Super, super. Guys, I hope I'm not skipping anything. I don't want to do that. If it takes more time, I'll be here for longer. But I'll not leave until your doubts are cleared. So if I'm skipping something that you want me to discuss, let me know in the comment section. Don't feel that others are getting it straight away. I'm here to help you also. I'm not here only for the toppers. I'm here for every one of you. Okay? So please ask me your concerns. Next up. Yeah, multiple angle formula, correct. How do you solve this? 1 plus sin x. Please check. I can write 1 as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. That's the value of 1 here. Okay. And for this you'll have 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2. This whole thing becomes what? Cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now this is in the root. Okay. So basically this and this will be cancelled. Okay. This and this will be cancelled. Alright. Now if I put here minus sign, what will happen to this? This will become minus sign and you'll have a minus sign over here. So basically for 1 plus sin x, the answer is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. And for 1 minus sin x, the answer is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Good enough, sir? Clear, sir? Okay. Everyone clear for this? 1 plus sin x is cos of x by 2 plus sin of x by 2, and root of 1 minus sin x is cos of x by 2 minus sin of x by 2. Okay. Use it over here. You'll get y equals to cot inverse outside. It'll become cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Check here carefully. Sin and sin is cancelled. So you have 2 cos x by 2. Cos plus cos is 2 cos x by 2. Same way over here you'll get 2 sin x by 2. You'll get cos plus sin, you'll get minus cos plus sin. Okay. You'll get minus cos plus sin. So cos and cos will be cancelled. You'll have sin left. To 2 sin x by 2, you have cot inverse of 2 by 2 will become cancelled, right? Cos plus cos is 2 cos, 2 and 2 is cancelled. You'll get here cot x by 2. Cos by sin is cot. Okay. Derivative will be what? For this you'll have cot inverse of cot. Answer is only x by 2. Derivative will be what? 1 by 2. Please check. So answer is given by Alan. 1 by 2. Others, please give me the answers, guys. Sin x by x is there, only the limit is present, right? Which question you're talking about, Alan? I was saying the previous question where I had taken in the logs. I'm not sure. Yes. So I think Pano also got it right. 20th one is over. Please check. Okay. Others, doubt is there. Let me know. Please tell me right now. 21 can we start? 21. Okay. 21. Now this is a question on implicit functions. Different type of questions are there. Okay. How do you solve this? So if you differentiate this, you'll have 1. You'll have here sin will become cos xy. You'll have chain rule over here for xy as well. Okay. Sin becomes cos. For x you'll have 1 and y remains as it is. And this time x is as it is and y will become dy by dx. Okay. 1 second. Yeah. X remains as it is this time and y becomes dy by dx, and for minus y you will have again dy by dx equals to 0. Yes. Okay, expand it. 1 plus cos will be working on with both. So you'll have y cos of xy, and you'll have plus x cos of xy dy by dx minus dy by dx equal to 0. You can take dy by dx common over here. You'll have 1 plus y cos xy, and if you take here dy by dx common, you get here x cos xy minus 1. Am I right? Dy by dx I'm taking common. This will be x cos y left, and this will be simply minus 1. Now move this term on that side. You'll have here 1 plus y cos xy, and over here will become what? Dy by dx. But if you move on this side, this will be negative, right? Plus will become minus. I can take the minus sign inside. If you do that, actually I'll have this as negative minus x cos of xy, and this minus will become positive. Okay? Looking for derivative, right? So write differentiation like this, and this will be as it is, 1 plus y cos of xy divided by this whole thing will come here. So 1 minus x cos of xy. Answer. Please check. That's your answer. 21 is over, guys. Okay? Okay, done. Can I move on? Now I'm seeing that energy is getting down just in 1 hour. Then how will you be able to face those questions? You want to score so many marks with one session, you have to maintain the energy. If you want, go ahead, take some water. I'll do it again with you guys. Are you getting bored? I don't think you'll be getting bored, but you must be getting tired. Okay, but it's okay. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Okay, just take some water. We can start again. We have a lot of work to do. Don't worry, after AOD, no, the last 2 chapters are very easy. They will not take that much of time, but till AOD will take some time. Okay, 3 more 4 questions, 3-4 more questions are there in this chapter. Then we move on to, I think there's only 2 questions in this chapter. Yeah, 2 questions, C and D will be over. Then we'll move on to AOD. Okay, so can I solve the question number 22 now? Find all points of discontinuity of f where f is defined by this. Check, no. If you find the left hand limit for this, right? If you find the limit value for this, you'll get limit value as at x equals to minus 3. The limit value will be found using this. Okay, no left hand limit I can find, no? From here also I can find. It will become simply plus 6, right? Limit value is coming as plus 6. Put here. Put minus 3 value. This you put here in this thing. You'll get here limit value as plus 6. And function at minus 3 will be what? Equality is true over here. You'll get here minus mod of minus 3 plus 3. How much is that? 3 plus 3. How much is that? 6. So you're getting what? You're getting limit value is equal to function value. Hence, x equals to minus 3 is point of continuity. Point of continuity. Right? Yes, we are trying. We'll make soup. Okay. Yes, Alan. I understand that. You told me that last time. You are repeating this here. Okay. So question number. So this is first point over here is going to be continuous in nature. Next up, check here 3. We're going to take x equal to 3 over here. What are you going to get? Limit can be taken from this side. You can take, there's no equality over here, so limit value you can take. Okay, it's not possible. Limit value if you take from here, it will be different. From here, it is different. So your LHL, no. 3 dash if you take, you're going to get this as simply minus 6. But if you take limit of the same function fx, when x tends to 3 positive, this will be what? 6 times of minus 3 plus 2. How much is that? Minus 18 plus 2. Sorry, plus 3, right? Over here we have plus 3. So it becomes 20. So your LHL is not equal to RHL. It means not continuous. It means limit does not exist. LHL value is, okay, LHL value over here, okay, minus 6 actually. LHL value is minus 6 only, and RHL value is 20. So limit are not equal. So LHL and RHL are not equal. It means it is going to be limit does not exist in nature and hence not continuous. Please check. Alright, bacha, no problem. Very good. But I hope when I'm explaining, Sophia, please pay attention on the screen so that I don't miss out on anything. Okay. So I think now the energy is coming back. I can see 3 point. Where is the third point, bacha? Where is the third point? Only 1 point, Alan. Yeah, 3 is the point of discontinuity. Sorry. I forgot to mention that. 3 is point, thank you, Alan, of discontinuity. That's your answer. Sorry, I forgot. There's only 1 point and that point is x equal to 3. Okay. Thank you for reminding me. Let's move on. 23 now, last question of this. I think this you can do. This all of you can do, right? I'll not solve this. This will be a homework. Derivative of first derivative, right? That's how you find the second derivative. And how would you find first derivative? Parametric form, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Please solve this, guys. Take this as homework. Please solve this. Yeah. No, minus 3 here is actually plus 3. They're looking for point of discontinuity, not continuity. They're looking for point of discontinuity, and x equal to minus 3, we are getting the point continuous. Limit value is 6 and function value is also 6. So they're equal, no? It means function is continuous at that point. Whereas this value x equal to 3, the limit value is not defined. For this, know what is happening here. Limit does not exist because LHL value, this is your LHL value. This is your LHL value, which is minus 6, and RHL value is 20. This is your RHL value. So they are not equal, no? Okay. All right. 23 is over. Guys, please do this homework. If it is difficult, I will solve it for you. Let me know. 23rd one, anyone of you want me to solve, I'll solve it right now. Just give me a comment. Yeah. Still waiting for the comment. Okay. I think, okay, I have got. Question number 24 now from AOD. 24 from AOD. Okay, this is a question, simple one. I will not solve this. You give me the answer right now. Come on. All of you in the live, give me the answer for 24th question. Okay. Yes. Yes. 24th question. Alan, Nagaraj, Pannu, Sufia, Shubh. 24th one. Please give me the answer. Kumud. Come on, come on. 24th one. Answer. We are looking for marginal value when x equals to 1. X equals to 1. How do you find that? Marginal value is the value for that one entity, that one quantity. Okay? So we'll get here 26x plus 26 minus 0, and we're looking for Rx when x equals to 1. 26 plus 26, answer is 52. None of you gave me the answer. Option C is correct, guys. Okay, I think there's a lag, okay? You all gave me the answer. Pano, I think it's 52, dear. Derivative we have to find out. Okay, very simple. Marginal value is the value, okay, that if you are looking for one value of production at the slope, no, at the critical point, that one value of production is how much, whether it is product or services, we look for that, okay, and that is found using the revenue function is given to you. You find the derivative of revenue function, and in that you substitute the unit of quantity. Okay. 24 is done. 25th one. All right. Interval in which, now these questions are difficult. Sometimes these are challenging. So let me solve this to you. We're looking for interval which is increasing in. So y1 will find, we'll get here product function. So 2x e power minus x as it is, plus we'll keep x square as it is, and this time we'll differentiate e power minus x. We'll have here minus 1 also. E power minus x's derivative is e power minus x minus 1. We have x common. We get here 2 e power minus x, sorry, my bad, we have x e power minus x common. Okay, we have x e power minus x common. We here get with 2, we get here minus x. If put equal to 0, actually check this out, I can take minus sign common, we will get minus x e power minus x and x minus 2 and x minus 2. I'm taking minus sign common, x minus 2. We have two critical points. This will be x equal to 0 and plus 2. Check carefully, e power minus x, any exponential function never touches x-axis. Any exponential function never touches x-axis means it can never be 0. So y equal to e power x or e power minus x, whatever it is, this is a non-zero function. It can never become 0. Okay, so that's why this is a non-zero value. It means either this whole thing can be 0 only when if x is 0 or with x equals to 2. Plot the number line, 0 here, 2 here. We have 3 intervals, 2 to infinity and minus infinity to 0. Excuse me, I don't know what is wrong over here. Okay, 1 second. It's coming like this. 1 second guys, something is wrong with the screen. Okay, I'll just check once. Okay, negative infinity to 0 and the third interval is 0 to 2. Now check the coefficient of the factors. We have a minus sign over here, means we're going to start with the minus sign over here, the wavy curve method. For the factor value 2, where the factor is, what is the factor giving me that value? Power is what? Odd, means sign change will be there, so plus sign. Now what is the other factor? Other factor is equal to 0, factor is x, power is there also as 1, so we'll again have sign change. So we have minus plus minus, minus means derivative is negative over here, here means derivative is positive, and we have this interval derivative is negative. They're asking us increasing, so they're asking us this value, f dash of x is equal to, is more than 0 in the interval 0 to 2. So f dash of x is more than 0 when x belongs to where? When x belongs to 0 to 2, right? Belongs to 0 to 2. Therefore, fx is increasing in the interval 0 to 2. Answer is option D. This question can be asked for more than 1 mark also. Yes, yes, lot of you have given me the answer D, correct. Let's move on. 26th one, this one I will not solve it, you can give me the answer right now. 26th one, give me the answer please. Yeah, 26th one, in second intervals the derivative test, f dash of c is 0, means c is the critical point. Okay, c is the critical point, c is critical point. Answer guys. Okay, and we have f double dash of c as more than 0. Okay, means c is point of local minima, point of local minima. Option D. Why not global minima? Why not absolute minima? Because we don't have any information about the interval actually. If we had the interval, let's say a to b, and at the point, so if f of c is more than f of a, sorry, less than, no, less than f of a, and f of c is less than f of b, and we have c belonging from here, then we can say the c will become, then you'll have f of c is absolute minima. Okay, then you'll have f of c as absolute minima. But in this case, please check, there's no information about the interval is given to us. That's why we can't consider this case. We can't consider this case. Okay, hence we have taken this as critical point and point of local minima. Yes, D is correct. Moving on. 27. Value of a equal to what for the function fx increasing in the interval 1 to 2. Increasing means derivative has to be more than 0. Derivative will be what? 2x plus a should be more than 0. A should be more than minus 2x. Check this out. Put the interval value 1 and 2. A should be more than minus 2 when you put x value as 1, or it should be a should be more than minus 4 when you put x value as 2. Put x value as 2. Draw the number line. Number line is here minus 2, sorry, and minus 4. More than minus 2 or more than minus 4. Which is the right answer? This intersection. Okay. Hence answer will be a is more than minus 2. Option C is correct. So we have two inequalities over here. One of the inequality is a more than minus 2, other inequality is a more than minus 4. But if you take the intersection, no, on the number line you get a equal to more than, sorry, a greater than minus 2 is the correct intersection of the two inequalities. Please check. So C is right. 28 now. The maximum and minimum value of this function. Please check. Sine 4x plus 3. This 3 is a constant, means everything will be happening with the help of this. This has a minimum value of minus 1, this has maximum value of plus 1. Sine anything is there, 5x, 10x, 15x, 100x. Sine will not go above 1 or will be below minus 1. So minimum value of, we are looking for first maximum. So this maximum will be when it is 1. So 1 plus 3, 4. Minimum will be when it is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3, which is 2. So maximum is 4, minimum is 2. Answer is B. Answer is B. C. Pano is saying, I don't know. No, not for sine, not for sine, okay? They're looking for the entire function. Sine 4x plus 3, Pano, please check. Okay? Yeah. So B is the right answer. 29th. 29th, guys, please check. Okay. 29th, what we have? Function fx x bar 5 minus 5 x bar 4 plus 5x cube minus 1 has how many critical points? How many critical points? How do you find that? Derivative equal to 0. I get 5x bar 4 minus 20x cube, and we have plus 15x square equal to 0. Something is common. I have 5x square common. I get here x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So again factorize it. I'll get 5x square as it is. Differentiate. So factorize this. I can write this as x minus 3 and x minus 1. Check this out. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus 1 into x is minus 1x. Sum is minus 4x. And we get x square over here as well. Okay. So basically this is true. And we have 3 critical points over here. I can make this whole expression 0 by making x as 0 or x as 1 or 3. Put x as 1. This whole thing will become 0. 3 whole thing will become 0. And 0 whole thing will become 0. So we have total of 3 critical points. We have total of 3 critical points. Answer is C. Alan, I think you got it wrong. Pano, C is right. Nagraj, Alan, please check. Sufia, C is correct. Okay. Yes. Very good. Super. 30th now. Function fx equals to x bar x decreasing in where? Okay. Same thing. Whenever you have power, you're gonna do what? You're gonna do what? Apply log on both sides. So we have log of y equals to x log x. Okay, because this x will come in front. If you take log, differentiate, you'll have 1 by y dy by dx. Derivative of log y is 1 by y dy by dx. On this side, you'll have product rule. So we'll keep 1 as it is for derivative of x and plus sign. This time we're gonna keep x as it is, and derivative of log will be 1 by x. This gets cancelled. Okay, this gets cancelled. We have here 1 by y dy by dx equals to log of x plus 1. Okay, So move this on that side. We'll have here dy by dx equals to y times of 1 plus log x, okay? And so we get here dy by dx equals to y value is what? X power x 1 plus log x. For all x value more than 0, check the value that is given in your options. For all x more than 0, okay, x power x will also be more than 0. All is positive. This is positive, this is positive. And I want what? I want it to be decreasing. It means I want dy by dx to be less than 0. It means this part here has to be less than 0. So 1 plus log of x has to be less than 0. On the side if you move, you get log of x to be less than minus 1. Apply, you get x equals to less than 1 by e. Less than 1 by e and more than 0, answer is option C. Please check. How come I'm doing that? If you take log x over here, e minus 1 over here, apply e on both sides, exponential function on both sides, you'll get e power log x. How much is that? Simply x. E power log x is x and e power minus 1 is 1 by e. Answer is option C. I think from AOD you can get 6-7 marks, right? 6-7 marks you can get from AOD. Okay. Yes. Right? 6-7 marks can come from this chapter if you have this in syllabus. 31. I think this is the last of it. Okay, last few questions. Okay, fine. All right. 31. Function is what? Increasing, decreasing, and what? Anything that is given like this, simply find derivative. Tan x will become sec square of x minus 1. Sec square minus 1 is what? Formula is there. Formula is their entity. Tan square x. F dash of x is tan square means what? Square of something. Always positive. Square of something means always positive. Can it be ever, ever, ever negative? Never. So always positive. Answer is option A. Derivative is more than 0. It means always increasing in nature. Yes. Okay, super. Okay, so let's move on. 32 now. Maximum value of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Now this question actually has a trick. I was talking about this only. So please check, guys, over here. Whenever you have this type of question, no, how do you solve this? Y equal to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x if I have. Okay, what are we gonna do? We'll find derivative over here and we'll find critical points. First step is to find derivative. Second step is to find critical points. And then find third step is to find double dash and check double dash is maximum at which point, okay? Then you will put the double dash with the critical point C and check which is the maximum, so less than 0 or not. So I'll get here the maximum value. Or simply do this. For y max, no, do this. Plus sign root of a square plus b square. What is a square b square? When you have a sin x plus b cos x, y max is given by this value and y min is given by minus sign, same thing. Okay, same thing. Okay, so in this case, check here, y max, right, will become root of 3 square is going to be 9 and root of 4 square is going to be 16. Answer is root of 25. Answer is plus sign of 5. Option B is correct. Okay, DA, what happened? DA, what happened? Nagaraj, A wrong. Alan, B is right. Pano, B is right. Okay, lot of mistakes. Why? Okay, yes. All right, 32 is done. 33 now. Doubt anyone if you have in 32, ask me right now. Or I'm going to solve 33 question right away. Okay. So that the function given by this has maxima at the point x equals to e. This is a lengthy question. Let's solve it. Let's solve this because you have to use quotient rule of derivative 2 times. So first find f dash of x. You'll get here log x derivative will be, you have preference in this case, quotient rule. You have to differentiate numerator first. So you'll get 1 by x and keep the x as it is. Then you have a minus sign. This time you're going to differentiate x value, will get 1 and keep log as it is and divide by denominator square. So you're getting here x and x is cancelled. You have 1 minus log x divided by x square. This is my derivative. Put it equal to 0 to find the critical point. Okay, to find the critical point. This is a square means can go over here and will be multiplied with 0. So I get 1 minus log of x equals to 0. From here I get what? Log of x equals to 1. It means x has to be what? Value as e. X has to be the value as e. Correct, no? Log of e is 1, right? It means x has to be e. Now, second step is very important to find derivative over here. We have only one critical point over here. We are supposed to prove it. If it was a MCQ, we can tick and move on. It's a so that question, means we have to show all the steps. So next step is to find second derivative. Apply quotient rule on this thing. So we'll get here 1 minus log derivative will be what? 1 is 0. 1 by x is the derivative of log x. And multiply x square as it is. Okay. Comes a minus sign. 1 minus log x as it is. Differentiate x square, you'll get here 2x. Divide by x power square the square. So x power 4. Check this out. This will become what? Minus x from here. And from there you'll have minus 2x. And you'll have plus 2x log x. Okay. Divide by x power 4. So we have over here minus 3x and plus 2x log x, right? Divide by x power 4. I can take, guys, x common, no? I can take x common over here. So I have over here x common. This will become minus 3 and plus 2 log x divided by x power 4. This x cancels with this 4 as 3. So my f double dash of x actually is coming as, please check, minus 3 plus 2 log x divided by x power 3. X power 3. So I have the second order derivative with me now. But I have to find the whether this second derivative is positive or negative at the point x equals to e. So find here f double dash at the point e. You get this as minus 3 as it is. Okay. Plus 2 times of log e is 1. Log e value is 1. So 2 into 1. Divide by e cube. E is a value 2.7 something. 2.67 something. So I have e cube, which is a positive value. One second. So check this out. You are getting over here minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So minus 1 upon e cube. Negative upon a positive value will be a negative value which is less than 0. So I'm getting over here. I'm getting f double dash at the point e is less than 0. Therefore, what is it? X equals to e is point of maxima. Okay. Check, guys. Check here. Clear? 33 is over. 33 was a lengthy question. Okay. So this is clear. I can move on to question number 34 now, if it is clear. Okay. 34. Now we are starting our matrices. From here, easy things will start, because I find matrices to be the most easiest chapter in your syllabus. Nothing is there. Simple multiplication is the one question that tricks us. Okay. Yes. So far we have finished 3 chapters, 2 major ones and 1 simple one. Now we have another simple one coming your way. Let's solve it. Don't worry. It will not take much longer. I think next 30-40 minutes we'll complete our session. Pakka. By 7:10 or 7:15 we'll complete our live. That's okay. Can we maintain the energy? Yes. let's bring back. Okay, I think a lot of students have either gone for something, for walk or games or whatever it is. I know it is evening time, you all have some things planned, but we still have some questions to solve. Matrices. Okay, 34th now. Question number 34. Check. The order of A 4 cross 3 and the order of B is 4 cross 5. Then the order of A transpose B transpose is what? Transpose of A. Order will be what? You'll have the order also reversed, 3 cross 4. B order is given as 4 cross 5. So A transpose B will become 3 cross 4 cross 5. This is gone. So basically 3 cross 5. I'm looking for A transpose B, the transpose. Answer is what? 5 cross 3. Because when you take transpose, order reverses, right? Row becomes column and column becomes row. Answer is 5 cross 3 means, sorry, D is correct, right? D is correct. Okay. Next up. 35. What happened? I think people have already left. It's not over. I still have more questions to solve. So if you want to learn the other two chapters also, chapter is Matrices and Determinant, be with me. Okay, just another 30 minutes, we'll end the session. If a matrix has 8 elements, then total number of orders, very important. These are very straightforward questions in your even midterms or boards. Okay, this can be a question in for your boards as well. Very, very important. So PYQ. All right. So number of element is 8. It can be either 1 row, it can be 1 column, it can be 2 row, 4 column, 4 row, 2 column. Anything else possible? No. Answer is option C. Answer is option C. Please check. Yes. Yes, Nagaraj. Answer is option C. 36 now. For any square matrix A, whenever you have I and J are not equal, whenever you have I and J not equal and Aij is 0, what it means is basically for these elements, we have some value A, B, C and other all is 0. This is going to be a diagonal matrix. Going to be a diagonal matrix. Yes. Yes, Sufia. Okay. So I think I can see here a lot of you have already left, but already it's okay. Just give me some time. It's okay. Let's continue. 36 is over. We have Sufia with me. We have Nagaraj with me. Super. We'll continue like this. 37. If A and B are matrices of order m cross n and n cross n, which is defined. So of course we can define this is A, right? M cross n and B n cross n. N is gone over here. Please check. So AB will become what? Possible. I can define AB. Because n and n are same, so I can define AB. Can you define BA? BA not possible. Because if I write BA, now you'll have n cross n and m cross n. M and n are not equal, so BA not possible. This is gone. Okay. Now what about A square? A square is A into A, so not possible because m into n, not possible. So answer is D, I think. Answer is D. Yes, answer is D. Please check. Asya is here. Okay, Asya. So answer is D, right? Guys, please check. C is wrong. Okay. A, B and B square. You can't find A square. How would you find A square? A into A, m cross n, m cross n. This is n and m. You can't multiply. Okay. You can't find square of that. Answer is D. Super. 37 is done. Question number 38 now. As I said, matrices questions are very easy. We can go through them very faster. Don't worry. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1. 3 cross 3 means how many elements? Total 9 elements. Each element has how many options? 2 options. So I can write here 2 options for first element, 2 for second element, 2 for third, so on till 9 times. For each element you have 2 options, either put 0 or 1, answer will be 2 power 19. And each changes will make a new matrix. Think about it. If I have here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, I make this 0. If I make this 0 actually, keep others as it is. First combination, second combination means every element's choice will make one matrix. Okay, so one matrix, two matrix over here, two over here, like this, 2 in power 9. Okay, we get here answer is 2 power 10 is 1024. This is a game, remember. 2 power 9 is 512, option D. Okay. Yes. D. Yes, Ashia, D is correct. Pano, D is correct. Nagaraj, Sufia, all of you got it right. Okay. 39th now. 39th now. Okay. So next we have, if A and B are two matrices such that A plus B and AB are both defined. A plus B and AB are both defined. We can define A plus B only when A and B has same order. Correct, no? It has same order, right? So, and we can multiply AB only when, basically, let's say if I have M cross N over here, the order, then if I multiply AB, then if A value is M cross N and B value is M cross N, can you multiply? You cannot multiply. It means it has to be actually A value as N cross N and B value as N cross N. So basically, order of A or B is same as N cross N, and it is going to be a square matrix. So order is same and square matrix. Okay, order is same and square matrix. Answer is B. Please check. Answer is B. So I got some correct answers. Nagaraj, Sufia, I think that was a previous answer, I don't know. Please check, guys. Answer is B. Okay. Yeah, 39 is done. 40, please check. Okay. 40 over here. Yeah. 40 is what? This is a question, very good one. I'll have to multiply this to get you right. A alpha is this. What is going to be A beta? Same thing with the different angle. Right here, A alpha times of A beta will be written like this. Cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. What about this? We'll have here cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Sorry, mistake. This is beta, right? This is beta here. That's beta, guys. Sorry. This is beta. Beta, right? Okay. Now multiply. We'll multiply row to column. So we get cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, cos beta, and we'll have sin alpha, sin beta with a minus sign. So minus sin alpha, sin beta. This is my only one term. Let's multiply same thing with the second column here. Cos alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha, sin beta, sorry. And we have sin alpha, this one, plus sin alpha, cos beta. We have third and fourth term left. I'm not going to do that. Will not multiply that. It's not required. Check carefully. Cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B. Cos of A plus B. Cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B. It is cos of A plus B. Here, cos A, sin B, sin A, cos B. Sin of A plus B. Basically, if you solve this, if you multiply all the elements, you'll end up with something like this. This will be what? This will be your function A of alpha plus beta. Here, when it is alpha, it is A alpha. When it is beta, it is A beta. When it is alpha plus beta, it will be A of alpha plus beta. Answer is option D. Answer is option D. Please check. Yes, D is correct. Nagaraj, D is correct. Pano, D is correct. Sufia, D is correct. Okay. 41 now. Okay. So let's complete this. 41. For suitable matrices AB, the false statement is, this is true, this is also true, this is false. Please check. A minus B transpose is nothing but A transpose minus B transpose. Right? That is my A transpose minus B transpose. Please check. Okay. Got it? Answer is 41C. 42 now. 42. We're looking for this value. Transpose is equal to A. It means that this has to be a symmetric matrix. A is symmetric. It means X will be equal to Y. Yes. X is equals to Y. Please check. All right. 43 now. So just last 20 odd questions, no problem. Half an hour, as I said, 7:15 session will be over. Okay. If A is symmetric as well as skew symmetric matrix, think logically. Symmetric means, this means A transpose is A. Skew symmetric means A transpose is minus A. Bring on this side, you get A transpose plus A is 0. Put here the value of A, you get A transpose plus A transpose is 0. You get twice of A transpose is going to be 0. It means A is going to be what? A transpose is going to be what? 0. So answer is what? Null matrix. Answer is what? Null matrix. Again, don't forget, tomorrow at 5 p.m. we have physics session scheduled. Okay, we have physics session scheduled. Let me check once. Yes, tomorrow we have physics live at 5 p.m. so please be there in the class. Okay, let's move on. 44. If A and B are symmetric matrices of the same order, then AB minus BA is what? Let's take a matrix X which is equal to AB minus BA. To get to know the symmetric and the order of this thing, we'll take transpose to this. Okay, we'll have over here AB transpose minus BA transpose. So we get over here B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. They're both symmetric means what? It means A transpose is A and B transpose is B. A transpose is A and B transpose is B because they are both symmetric. So we'll have over here BA minus AB. Take my sign common, you'll get here AB minus BA, which is minus of X. So I'm getting X transpose is nothing but minus of X. Check here. X is AB minus BA. I'm getting the minus sign common here, minus of X. It means X matrix, which is nothing but AB minus BA, is skew symmetric. Yes. Let's check the answers. Yes, B is correct. Sufia and Pano, please check. B is correct. Yeah. 45. 45. A, B, C, D. Asha is also there, I think. Yeah, A, B, C, D, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric means what? This has to be 0. This means A is 0 and D is 0. And also B equal to minus C. It means B plus C is 0. Add them. A plus B plus C plus D. B plus C is 0. This is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Answer is 0. Option C. C is correct. Yes, C is correct. C is correct. Question number 46 now. Match the following question. Scalar matrix. Scalar means, scalar example I'll tell you. This has to be 2, 2, 0, 0. This has to be the same. Means it can be any constant number but has to be same. So the answer is this. That's my matching. For A, answer is number 2. Okay. For diagonal matrix, it can be, it don't have to be equal. I can take, for this example, for diagonal, I can take this as 2, 3, 0, 0. This also is diagonal matrix. So just that when I is not equal to j, it has to be 0. So it's going to be 3. And the remaining one is option 1. Please check. This is the unit matrix. When you have 1, 1, 0, 0, this is the identity matrix. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 is option C. Yes. Yes, Sufia, C is correct. Nagaraj, C is correct. No, C is also correct. Yeah, 46 is done. 47 now. All right. So now we are getting 47 is A, B are symmetric matrices of the same order, so that AB is symmetric, and okay, AB is symmetric only if AB equal to BA. Of course, A transpose is given as A and B transpose is given as B. They're saying that AB is symmetric. It means AB transpose has to be equal to AB. But let's take the LHS part first. Okay, I'll take LHS first. I'll take AB transpose. Answer is B transpose. A transpose. This value is B. This value is A. This is only possible when BA is equals to AB. Correct? We know that matrix multiplication is not commutative in nature. Only true in the case of inverse matrices. Okay, so we cannot say B and AB are always equal. Only if it is given, then we can say it is equal, or when they're given as inverse. Okay, so in this case, if I want this to be BA equal to be AB, it means that's the proven case. Please check. Okay, done. 48 now. Question number 48. Prove that for any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is symmetric. Take here A plus A dash. Transpose you're going to take. It will become what? A transpose plus A transpose the transpose. What is the answer? A transpose plus A. Rewrite this. I get here A plus A transpose. Same thing. I'm starting from, let's say, X transpose. I'm reaching back to X. It means this is going to be symmetric. Let's check now. For this case, A minus A. Take a matrix Y as A minus A dash. Transpose you take. Write this as A transpose minus A transpose the transpose. We'll get here as A transpose minus A. Take minus sign common. You'll have here A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. So I'm starting from Y transpose. I'm getting this value as minus Y. Please check. Minus Y. It means this is the case of skew symmetric matrix. 48 is also over, guys. 48 is also over. Please check. Are you liking the questions easier? Are you able to understand, okay, that yes, this kind of question can actually come in examination? Can you feel that? Are you getting that feel? Yes. I filtered the question in such a way that they can be asked in exam. Okay, they can be asked in the exam. Very important. All right. Question number 49 now. 48 is over. 49 now. Chali. Prove inverse of a square matrix if it exists is unique. Let me do one thing. I'll take a square matrix A. I'll take here two inverses. I'll say B and C are two inverse. They are two inverse. That's my assumption. This is my assumption. Now, understand this clearly, but the statement is saying that there's going to be unique, means you'll have for one matrix, you'll have only one inverse. It means that once I start proving it, I should get B and C should be same matrix. I should get B and C should be equal. Start with B. B is inverse of A. It means AB equals to BA equals to I. And if C is inverse of A, I should get AC equals to CA equals to I. They write here as BAC. BAC. If I write BAC and club AC together, I get what? AC is equal to what? I. AC is equal to identity matrix. So right here B into I, answer is B. So I'm getting a value of a product BAC. Is it clear? I'm getting a value of a product BAC equal to B. Equal to B. And same thing if I take it like this, BA together, I'll get what? BA is nothing but I. I times of C. I get C. It means BAC is equal to B and BAC is equal to C. So I have BAC equal to B equal to C. It means B is equal to C. Therefore, inverse of A is unique. Is unique. Please check, guys. Okay, check now. Beautiful question. This is also a PYQ. It's also a PYQ. Okay. And not very, older one, very recent one. Means this kind of question can be asked. Please have a look. You all know your board's pattern of questions is repeated. Okay. Now we are having, this is the last question I think. Yeah. We have to find a square minus 5a plus 6i. Okay. How do you find that? Your a square will be what? Like this, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0. Same thing will be written here, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1 minus 1 and 0. So I have the value of a square actually already found. I have it with me. I'll just check. Your a square value is actually here. I've taken already. I'll show you how. 5 minus 1, 2, and we have 9 minus 2 and 5. We have 0 minus 1 and minus 2. Just give me some time. I'll show you how I've got this. Take product like this. Row to column, 2 into 2 is 4. 0 into 2 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. So I'm getting 2 into 2 is 4 plus 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So I get answer as 5. That's your first term. That's your first term. Second term will be this row to second column. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Now say same thing with the third row, third column, sorry. 2 into 1 is 2. 0 into 3 is 0. And 1 into 0 is 0. Answer is 2. That's how I get my first row of the product. Okay. Let me erase this extra marks. Okay, this is my product. Please check. Okay. Yes, any doubt about this? All right. Okay, I don't think so there will be any doubt about this. So next up what we have to find out, 5a. You can find all 5a. You can find the 5a. You'll have 5a value. Very simple. 10, 0, 5, 10, 5, 15. 5 minus 5 and 0. That's my 5a. And 6i is what? 6i will be your 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0 and 0, 0, 6. Subtract them. So subtract this, a square minus 5 a plus 6i, and this will come as, I think I have the answer. This will come as 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10, and this is minus 5, 4 and plus 4. Please cross check. Okay, we have 5 minus 10 is minus 5 plus 6 is 1. Okay, minus 1, 0 is simply minus 1 and plus 0 is minus 1. We have 2 minus 5 is minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3. Okay, so I think this is clear, guys. Yeah, yes. So this is the end of your chapter. This is your answer. Okay, please cross check. No problem, I think. Any problem? Matrices all good? Matrices all good? Matrices all good? Please let me know. Now we are doing the last chapter. Last 10 minutes, please help me. Yes. Okay. So we can solve these questions now. 51, answer, come on. Answers please. A equals to KB, we are looking for mod of A. If you have A equals to KB, mod of A is going to be mod of KB. The property is square matrices means you'll have K power n B. Answer is option B is correct. Please check. Option B you can take. Okay, 51, option B is correct. K power n B. Okay, come on, come back. Yes. Last chapter, important chapter. Questions will come in your PU2, in your boards, midterms also. So very important and very easy. You'll see in the problems. Okay, properties based questions are coming. I'm telling you, it's a guarantee 100%. Properties of determinant will be direct questions. So very important. 52 now. Okay, 52. Yes, you all have seen, right? If you have seen PYQs, you'll know. I'm not lying. I'm not over promising. 52, come on. So 52, let's get back the energy. We are about to complete our session. You are with me, Nagaraj, Pano, Sufia. You've been with me till, from the first minute. Be proud of that, okay? That you have studied with me. It's very difficult, bacha, to get distracted, okay? But you are here with me for 2 hours. And believe me, if you don't trust yourself, believe me at least, you have made a difference in your preparation. You have learned a concept. Okay, so believe me in that, and I'll keep coming back. I want to see all of you regularly. I'm knowing a couple of names, so please don't forget. Like Alan was always regular in my classes. There's Nagaraj, there's Pano, there's Sufia, there was Kumud. So all these students, Ashia was there. So be consistent in all my sessions. I'm telling you, you'll make a difference. You'll see a progress. It'll not happen overnight, right? But you'll see a progress. You'll see that, okay, you're getting the concepts understanding, you're getting the marks increasing, okay? Now, I'll not waste your time. I'll get back to solving questions. 52 now. What happens? Mistake. 3 is 3, sir. 2 is x, sir. X is 4, sir. Wrong. It is not matrix. Matrix, forget about it. Now it is scalar value. Now this is a scalar value. Things changes. 3 into 1 minus x into x. 3 into 1 minus 4 into 2. Things changes. It becomes 3 minus x square, 3 minus 8. Bring back here x square over there, this over there. I get 3 minus 3 plus 8 equals to x square. 3 and 3 is cancelled. I get x square as 8. Answer is 2 root 2. Because x value will be root of 8 with both plus minus sign. X value will be 2 root 2 with both plus minus sign. Yes. Both plus minus sign. Because root can be both plus and minus. 53, adjoint. We have a trick for this? Yes. Also given in NCERT, we all know that. Interchange these two. Interchange. And over here we have sign change. We have sign change. Answer will be what? 4, 2, minus 3 and minus 1. Option D. Yes. Super Pano. Super bacha. 54. If you solve this question, I'll have some water. Last 14 questions to go. I'll have some water. You solve this question for 54. But don't worry, questions are easier. 14 questions are there, but they're easier. Yes. Option D. No. Determinant of A inverse is always 1 upon determinant of A. Answer is B. Property. Direct question. This is the PYQ. Not kidding. Direct questions can come. Okay. Answer is, who said D? If you hear, I would have punished you. D is false. Please check. Property B. All of you said D. Sufia has given me B. Nagaraj changed his answer. Yeah. Meghna changed her answer. Yes. 55. Come on. This one. Can you solve for me? You have to solve it. Inverse existing means what? Inverse exists only if determinant is non-singular, which is non-zero. Determinant is non-zero. Okay. Find here, guys. Excuse me. Find here. Across this row, this column we can find. For 2 we'll have 6. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 5. For 0 is going to be all gone. 0 is all gone. For this 1, we'll have here, this is cancelled. 5 into lambda. So we'll have plus 1. 5 into lambda. So 5 lambda. And plus 8. Okay. Plus 8. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. There is a subtraction. Makes it plus 8. 2 into 1 plus 5 lambda plus 8. should not be equal to 0. Should not be equal to 0. So I get here 5 lambda plus 10 should not be equal to 0. It means lambda, 5 lambda should not be equal to minus 10. So lambda should not be equal to minus 2. Answer is option C. Option C. Oh my god, somebody has come. Samarth E, nice, you're spamming here. Is that good, bacha? You want to do that? Okay, super. You want to do that, you can do it. But I don't want to miss students, other students' comments. C is correct. Okay, super. 56. All right, no problem. You don't have to spam the chat. It makes difficulty for other people, right? It's not convenient. 56. Area of triangle is 35 square units with vertices this. Then K is what? Area of triangle we have to look for. There's a formula in CG you have learnt in grade 10. If you have learnt, if not, it's learnt in PU1, I think, right? If it is the syllabus, I don't think it's there. I think it was there in grade 10 CBSE. Later it was removed, but we have that concept in determinant also. What is the concept? Vertices like this, 5, 4, K, 4, and this is 1, 1, 1. Area means we'll have 1 by 2 over here. And since the value is 35 means I have to take plus minus. Why plus minus? Because even if this determinant value was coming as negative, let's say you forget about the area right now. If the K value is given and you get the value as negative value, will you take the negative value? You will not take. You will always take positive value because area is always positive. So if you are taking a modulus on this determinant, it means when you remove that modulus, this will be both plus and minus. Okay. 1 by 2. Let's continue from here. We can apply across this only, I think. I can apply across the first row. Achha, moving this 1 by 2 on this side will be making me do what? 1 second, guys. This 2 will be moved over here. I'll have over here plus minus 70. And check this out. For 2, I am getting 4 minus 4, which is 0. 4 into 1 and 4 into 1, which is 0. Now, minus of minus 6 is there for second element. And for this, I'll have this and this removed. 5 into 1 and K into 1, which is 5 minus K. And plus 1 is the last element. Over here, I get this and this is removed. First row, last column, 20 minus 4K. 5 over 20 and 4 into K is 4K. This is equal to plus minus 70. Check this out. I get this as plus 6. So 6 into 5 minus K. And we have plus 20 minus 4K plus minus 70. We get here 30 minus 6K plus 20 minus 4K equal to plus minus 70. We have here 50. We have here minus 10K and plus minus 70. 2. We have 50 minus 10K is 70 and 50 minus 10K is minus 70. Check this out. Over here, move over there. I get 50 minus 70 will be minus 20 equals to plus 10K. So K value is minus 2 from here. Calculation. This is going to become plus 10K. The 70 will come over here, become minus 70. So 50 minus 70 is minus 20. K is going to be minus 2. Over here you bring. It will become 50 plus 70. So 120. This will be 10K. K value is 12. 12 and minus 2. Option D. Please check. 12 and minus 2. Who said C? Who said C? Nagaraj. Pano has said A only. Sufia has got it right. First he said C, but since he come back to D. Meghna has got it. Wrong, bacha. Please cross check your calculations. Determinant only calculation is the problem. Otherwise things are very easier over here. Okay. So please check once. Yeah. Super. 56 is done. 57 now. 57 now. 57. 56 is clear, right? All of you. Check once. Yes, 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 yes. Now it is changed. Okay. Assertion is if A is a square matrix of order 2 and determinant of A is 3, then adjoint of property is there. Adjoint we have K times of this of A. The property is what for this? and order of A. Order of A is, let's say, n. The property of this is determinant of A power n, okay, and power k minus 1. Power k minus 1, that's the property. Determinant of A power, if you are asked about finding determinant of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of k times of the matrix A, the answer is determinant of A power the n order power the k minus 1. K is the number of times adjoint is written. In this question, we have adjoint of A only one time. We'll have determinant of A power order is 2, so power 2, okay, and then power will be what? Please check. 1 second. Order is 2 and adjoint is only 1, right? We get 1 minus 1. 1 second. You'll get here 1 minus 1 will be 0, right? Yeah. 0. Gone. It will become what? Determinant of A power actually 1. 2 power 0 is 1. So 1, answer is going to be 3 actually. Here they have given as 9. Okay, it's wrong statement. This is false. This is wrong. Yeah, the property is correct. A power n minus 1. A power 1 minus 1. Okay, I've taken ulta actually over here. Yes, this is wrong. That's why I was not getting it. A power n minus 1 minus 1 power k actually. Okay, so it'll become 1 power k. Excuse me. My mistake, guys. My mistake. 1 second. It will be 1 power 1. So answer will be A only. Answer is 3. Still wrong. Please cross check. I made a mistake. Okay. Yeah. So A is false, R is true. No, A is false, R is true. Option which is correct? A is false, R is true. Option A is correct, no? Please check. Option A is correct. Rajat? C, can you cross check, Rajat? I have made a mistake. I have corrected that. Formula, there was a mistake. I have changed that. N minus 1 power k is going to be there. Okay. Done. 57 is also over. All right. Okay. 58 now. There's a lag, I think, in the session. Okay, what I'm speaking is coming late to me. 58 now. Statement number 1. The inverse of the matrix, this does not exist. True. Determinant of A, if you find, you'll have this value as 12 minus 12, right? Which is 0. Determinant of A is 0 means this is singular. So inverse does not exist. Inverse of a singular matrix does not exist. Correct? No? They both are true. Okay. So answer is statement 1 is true, 2 is true. 2 is the correct. Yeah. Option B is right. Option B is right. Sir, still confused. Got little confused, sir. Which one, bacha? Pano, which one? 57th one, 58th one, Pano? Tell me. I'll explain it to you, then I'll move on. Which one, Pano? B is correct, right? B is right. Okay. Come on. Quickly tell me. Yes. Meanwhile, others solve 59. Others solve 59. Okay, we are saying 57th one. Guys, solve this one. I'll clear your friend's doubt. 57th one. So this is, the property is very simple over here, that if you have adjoint coming k times, n minus 1, the order minus 1 power k will come. In this case, please check, order is 2. If you write here 3, the determinant power 2 minus 1, what is the answer? It will become 3 power 1, hence the answer is 3. So answer is 3, but they have given as value as 9. It means statement is false. The property, this is correct. This formula is right. It means A is false, R is true. Very simple. Clear now? Yes. 0 is correct. Answer is 0. Please check. Because if you had this particular case, A11, A11, A12, A12, A13 and A13, excuse me. Then this becomes equals to determinant of A, where your A11, A12 and A13 represents what? Cofactors, right? Cofactors. And A11, A12 and A13 represents your elements of the same row or column. Okay, so I think this is clear now. In this case, you have determinant of A. Any other combination will be always 0. Only this combination is A. I can take any other row also. This is my first row. I can take second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, but has to be same row and respective cofactor. If it is the case, the answer is determinant of A, otherwise it is always 0. Property. 60 now. Question number 60. Yes. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then A times of A inverse. Simple, this is going to be I, so 1. 1. Answer is 1. Please check. Answer is 1. Yes. 61. 61. Correct. 2A transpose. Find over here. We all know that determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. Transpose does not change the determinant value. Okay. Find determinant of A from here. You get here. This is 2 minus 3. Answer is minus 2. This is minus 2. Sorry, minus 1. This is minus 1, right? 2 into 1 and 3 into 1 is minus 1. I'm looking for 2A transpose. So this will become what? 2 power n, and determinant of A transpose. 2 power n means order is 2. So 2 power 2 minus 1. Answer is minus 4. Answer is minus 4. Please check, guys. Answer is minus 4. Question number 61. Yeah. Done. Done. Yes. 62 question. 62nd one. What is this? If A is a matrix of A square equals to I, find the inverse. They are saying that it is going to be non-singular matrix. Non-singular. It means inverse exists. I have A square equals to I. It means I have A into A equals to I. Excuse me. Equals to I have. Okay. Equals to I have. Now apply inverse on both sides. I get A inverse A into A equals to A inverse I. Now this will become what? A inverse. I'll have over here I. A inverse of A is I into A. I get value of A equal to A inverse. Value of A equal to A inverse. Please check. Answer is option C. Option C. Okay. Next up. 63. 62 is clear. 62 is clear. 63 now. Okay. Cross multiply cos square of 15 degrees minus sin square of 15 degrees. Right. I get this as cos of 2 times of 15 degrees. Formula. Cos square minus sin square is cos 2 times of the angle. So cos 30 root 3 by 2. Option B. Option B. Option B. 63 option B is correct. 63 option B is correct. Alright. Okay. Super, super. Question number 64 now. 64. Doubt if you have any question, ask me, I'll go back. Simple, that's why I'm skipping through the process. Doubt if you have, ask me. Okay. A and B are square matrix of order 3. They've given the values here. 3AB inverse separated. 3 power 3 I'll get determinant of A, and it'll become what? Determinant of B inverse. 3 power 3 is 27. Determinant of A is going to be what? Minus 1. So we'll write that later. It'll become 1 upon determinant of B. We learned the property. We have learned this property. Determinant of B inverse is 1 by B. So I'll have here 27 into minus 1 upon value of this is going to be 3. So 3 times of 9 I get answer as -9. My answer is -9. Option A is correct. Please check. Doubt have, ask me. B is correct, right, Manu? B is correct. So not B, A is correct, not B. Please check, please check, please check. 63, B is correct. 64, A is correct. I hope you are asking for 63 because 64 answer is B, A. Okay. Yes, Nagaraj. 65. System of equations 4x plus 6y. This has what? Check here, 4 by 8, 6 by 12 and -5 by -10. What I'm doing here? A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Check here, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Means all are equal. So answer is infinite many solutions. Option B is correct. The lines are overlapping in nature. The lines are overlapping in nature. They are coincident line. No, Tanmay. We have not done only MCQs. We have done 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker also. We have those questions. So basically from this chapter, what type of question can come, I'm taking that. And if you see the questions, no, they are very descriptive in nature. So then MCQ are there, but concepts can be asked in 2 marker also. Okay, Tanmay? So same question can be framed in 2 marker category as well. That's why I've taken this kind of problems. 2 marker, 3 marker like that. So some of them are MCQ only, but there are on other chapters that we have covered. We have covered total of 5 chapters today. There have been other type of questions also. I hope this is clear now. 66, 1, 3, 4, 2, B is this. I'm looking for this condition, determinant of A, B and B transpose. We know that determinant of B is equal to determinant of B transpose. So we have answer as A into B square. A is going to be what? 4 into 2 minus 12. And B will be what? Please check. 4 plus 1. 2 minus 12 is minus 10 and 4 plus 1 is 5. This is squared, right? This is squared. So I get answer as minus 250. B. Yes, clear? Okay. 67 now. But do not worry, I'm planning a marathon where I'll come back and solve the questions of 2 marker for all chapters, 3 marker for all chapters like that. So I'll take a session for only 2, 3 marker, 5 marker, 1 marker like that. Okay? We have planned like that. 67. Find the equation of the line joining the points 3, 1, 9, 3. Point is like this, right? 3, 1, 9, 3. So what happens over here if I take a point on this? Let's say this is my point B. C, I take a point A over here with the vertex xy, coordinate xy. Of course, the triangle, if you take over here, what's the triangle over here? There's no triangle, it's a straight line. So there's going to be a collinear point. Collinear point means the area of triangle is always 0. How can you say that? Triangle is like this. Move this point close to the line. You'll have a point where it is going to be like this. And you'll have finally the point lying on the line. So basically, area of triangle if you take for 3 collinear points, it will be always 0. Okay, so let's try that. You'll have the 3, 1, 9 and 3 and you have xy 1, 1, 1. This will be equal to 0. Let's solve it. We'll take across 3 first. So we'll have 3 minus y. We'll take across 1 now. So minus 1. This will be cancelled. We have 9 minus x. 9 minus x across 1. Class, live class. 1 second, guys. 10 ನಿಮಿಷ. Sorry guys, there was somebody from the team asking me how long the class will go. So because office is going to be closed, right? So we'll just 2 minutes. We'll complete this question. Okay, so we have over here 1. For 1 will be like this, 9y minus 3x. 9y minus 3x equal to 0. Solve it. We get 9 minus 3y. We get here minus 9 plus x. we get here plus 9y minus 3x equal to 0. So I'm getting what? Minus 3x plus x is minus 2x, and we have 9 and 9 is cancelled. Okay, 9y minus 3y is plus 6y equal to 0. So I can take minus 2 common, it will become x minus 3y equal to 0. It means x minus 3y equal to 0 is the equation of my required line. Yeah, Nagaraj, your answer is correct. Tanmay, your answer is correct. X plus 3y, no bacha. Please check, Tanmay. It is actually minus 3y. Tanmay Shetty, please check, it is minus 3y actually. Cross check please. Nagaraj, your answer is correct. Now the last question. Please cross check once. Last question. Okay. Last problem of the day. Now this I'll be giving you as homework because I wanted you to solve this. I'll help you in every step, but I want you to solve this question. Okay. Study for your success. If you've been through the entire session, you will know that I have solved questions from all the categories. Okay. For yes, if you're asking me for these 5 chapters, are these type of questions enough? Answer is yes for your PU2 midterm. Okay. Because I've taken all the different concepts using these questions. So that has been covered over here. So 5 chapters I've covered today. Relation and function, continuity, differentiability, AOD, matrices and determinant. So yes, this is very sufficient. I've taken total of 68 questions over here. Okay. Yes, it's a 5-mark question. Correct, bacha. Sir, every time they say they will upload PDF, but bacha, actually, no. How can you say that? Today only I have seen the folder has been uploaded. So do one thing. Please keep checking. Okay, they upload what they do. No, they'll not upload PDF directly. They'll give you a link for the where the drive is there. So drive, wherever we have the entire content, no, we provide the link of that in this thing. Okay, so please download from there. So yes, it might take one day to be uploaded, but it will be uploaded for sure. Okay, it will be there. Bye, sir. Okay, Nagaraj, thanks for being with me till the end. You can leave. I'll explain these 2 questions, how you will all solve this. This is very easy, right? You're going to solve using matrix method. So make the matrix first. You will have the coefficient matrix as 1, minus 1 and 2. This will be 3, 4 and minus 5. This will be 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 and 3. This is your coefficient matrix. Then comes your variable matrix as x, y and z. Okay. And you'll have over here constant matrix as 7, minus 5 and 12. Okay, 7 minus 5 and 12. All right. Now in this question, first step is take this to be matrix A, this to be matrix X and this to be matrix B, let's say. Okay. I'm looking to find the value of matrix X. What's the value of the matrix X? Now how do you find that? Applying inverse on both sides. So this will be X, you'll have A inverse B. If you apply A inverse on this side, it will become A inverse of A will be I. This will be A inverse of B. So I have the answer as A inverse B. So basically, I have to find A inverse, multiply with B to get the value of X. How do you find A inverse? First check whether it is non-singular. If you solve the determinant of A, this matrix A, you'll get the value of determinant as 4. You'll get this value of determinant as 4. Okay. Okay. So determinant value is 4 actually. Now one thing means I can find the inverse. How do you find inverse? Inverse is found using this adjoint of A by determinant of A. How do you find adjoint? For that I have a trick. I'll tell you. 1 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 2. 3, 4 minus 5. 3, 4. Excuse me. 3, 4 and minus 5. Excuse me guys. And we have 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3. To find adjoint, we have a trick. Just repeat the first 2 rows. We have 1 minus 1 and 2. 3, 4 and minus 5. Okay. Repeating the first 2 rows like this. Okay. And the columns also. So we get 1, 3, 2, 1, 3 and minus 1, 4, minus 1, minus 1 and 4. Now this becomes your 5 cross 5 matrix. In this, what you're going to do is eliminate the first row and first column. First row and first column. Now start taking these elements in the cross product like this in vertical form and write the adjoint directly in the horizontal form in the first row. 12 plus 4 3 is 12 and minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5, then minus will also come, subtraction. So 12 minus 5 is 7, first element. Minus 2 plus 3 will be 1, please check. Okay, minus 2 and 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, it will make plus 3, so plus 1. Plus 5 minus 8, minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5, minus 8 is minus 3. So likewise you go in the vertical form of the cross product and get the result in the rows of that adjoint. Once you get adjoint value, you can put this in the inverse, dividing by the value of 4, you'll get inverse value. Once you get the inverse value, you'll get x value as that inverse into the matrix B, the constant matrix. And the x will come as, I have the answers with me, I'll just check 1 second. I have the answer with me as 213, guys, please check. X will come as 213, okay, please check, okay. X will come as 213 means basically your x value will be 2, y will be 1 and z will be 3. Please cross check. Okay, now I'll take your comments. So you have some questions, some queries. Okay, you are so good at explaining, sir. Thank you, Jaina. Bye, Nagaraj, you already left, I think. Thanks for your support. You're welcome, bacha. Sir, it's easy, we will do it. Thank you. I know that, but I still wanted to, give some content to you guys. Sir, I have studied and practiced 9 chapters, but now I'm not able to solve those questions and I'm not able to remember any formulas. I feel like everything is new. So what happened? No, you must have skipped revision. That can be a cause, okay? Or you must have not solved different variety of questions. That also happens. 2 is the problem. This first problem is skipping revision and not solving enough problems. 2 is the mistake. These 2 are the mistakes. Now how can we counter this? Very simple. Don't overwhelm yourself. Pick a chapter and write down in your mind. Don't take any notebook, any textbook. Sit down, take a pen and paper and think of a chapter. What do you remember from the chapter? Topic wise, formulas you remember, whatever you do. Try to sit back and recall. Now based upon that, you see what is missing and then you work on that. So do not, start working in a chaos. Make a plan what you know and what is missing. Revise that one by one. Okay, this is for a study for your success. Please do it in this way. I'm telling you, it will be very, very helpful. Zaina is saying, awesome explanation, sir. Thanks, helped a lot. You're welcome, bacha. I given you a solution, a study for success. Okay, all done? Pano, good. So this is the end of the session. So if all of you are here for the first time, we are making a lot of effort over here and there's a promise, we'll make a progress in your studies. If you are consistent, we'll get you through. These are the toppers that we got last year only through our channel. We had a meet and greet, they all came, we had a lovely time. You can see their testimonials available on the YouTube and they're 100% true. Okay, so go ahead, check them out and you'll see we have made a big change in the preparation journey on our platform. Okay, so be consistent with us, be with us, will help you get through to a good PU2 result, which is important for your KCET marks, KCET rank, and KCET result also will be very, very good. That's a promise, okay? We have a lot of things planned for the year. Just be with us. If you're new, subscribe the channel right now. We're putting a lot of efforts, everything. Every day, we get up, come to office and see what we can do the best for all of our kids, okay? So we'll do that, that's a promise. Any other new question? Thank you, sir. Bye, Tanmay. Pano will be waiting for vectors, 3D and LPP. I'll not forget vector, 3D, LPP and integrals. I'll do that. Don't worry. Thanks a lot. You're welcome, Pano. Sir, is that revision method which you told now? Yes, revision method will be, as I said, take a chapter, recall what you know, topics, formulas. Okay, don't write the formulas. Sir, I know this formula. So like that, I know the formula of area of triangle. I know the formula of finding determinant. So like that, you make a list of what you know. And then same day, you read and revise what you don't know. Figure it out at the same day. Don't postpone and keep it for the next day. Do it. I know it will take some effort, but you can do it, okay? Don't worry, you have already done it for the first time. This is just a revision. This you can try. Yes, I did not attempt. Okay, the thing is, I'm from outside of Karnataka. I can't write KCET. I wrote Comet K. I've studied from PESET College. You all know PESET? PES College I've studied from. I'm an engineer from PES College. Okay. Sir, I have been following this channel for the past 2 months. Are you able to see a difference? You're not getting, that we are making a big change over here. Okay, we are making good work, bacha. Trust me, just be consistent with the revision. You all forget about revision. You all forget to revise. Revise your content, notes, whatever it is. Revise, bacha, revise. Okay, so yes, I think this is it. Now I can end the session. You all can go have your dinner. I'll also leave. I'm done for the day. Now I'm supposed to go home, have my dinner. So I didn't start yet my KCET preparation. I don't know how to prepare. We are here. We are here. Okay, don't worry. I think recently, 3-4 days back, Aswarya ma'am has done a video which talked about how to prepare KCET from today. Okay, so please go and watch that video. Yes, so I think we can end the session right now. All right, is this over? Anything, any other doubt you guys have, ask me. Next 1 minute, I'll end the session. So please let me know. And the class notes will be available by tomorrow. Okay, because everybody in office has left. So I have to ask them tomorrow only to upload it. So that's a promise. Tomorrow, link will be given for the drive. Please download that. And tomorrow, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. we have physics live. Okay, we have physics live. So please attend that on time. 5 p.m. okay, 5 p.m. is the physics live. All right, so I think now I can end the session. There's no new questions, no new queries. All right, so I had fun teaching you all. Okay, you are all very lovely. There's nobody who troubles me even for 1 second. You are very patient. I love that. And again, I'll come back for this kind of lovely session of live. Till then, keep watching our videos. Keep putting your queries, your questions, your doubts, your struggles. We are here to help you out in every way possible. Okay, that's a promise. And with this, I'll see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.